welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to create a captivating country poster in Canva. So let's begin. So first of all, you're going to click on landscape video. And now I'm going to change my video's title to Canva 37. Like this. Now I'm going to go in my uploads and upload this image right here of Korea. And make it the size of my template. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to type in your move PG. Now the second link, you can choose any link, but I would prefer Google.ai. Now I'm gonna paste my image right here. Like this. Now I'm gonna download it. Now I'm gonna align it in a way that it like matches my first image and camouflage nicely. But before that, I'm gonna quickly go in my text, add a heading, and type in here Korea. And I'm gonna change it font style to this font style right here. Now I'm gonna reduce it to necessary part. I'm gonna change its color to white. I'm gonna align it towards this first image right here. Like this, perfect. Now I'm gonna make it the applicable size right here. Like this. Now I'm gonna move it towards the back. Go in elements, click on white smoke, go in graphics, and I'm going to choose this one right here. And I'm gonna align it as there's like smoke coming down from there, and like it's a really great effect. Yep, like this. Like this as well. Okay. Now I'm gonna group them, and I'm gonna resize it towards the perfect angle. Like this. Now let's add some extra elements right here to like make it more captivating. Let's see what we've got here. Let's just add some stars because like it's gonna be really weird. Like we have the clouds, we have the texture, we have the sunset. Then what's gonna be better than stars? Let's just choose these simple ones. Let's change its color to white, or maybe let's just keep it gold. Yeah, that looks interesting. Now adding small pieces of them would make it more like nice that some stars are closer and some are far away. Let's go on layers, and I'm gonna like download, like I'm gonna group all of the stars layers so that they don't be like separated and make my work more hard. And I'm gonna move it like under the Korea text sign. I like this. Okay, that looks nice, pretty much nice. So what type of changes we can do right now? Um, and you know what? What's an interesting fact that I just come up with this idea right now in this instant moment. It's a really great software for designing posters like these. So I hope you love this video. Now like, share, and subscribe. And now share to your friends.